How do we look in different universes? We all know ourselves by our biological form on Earth. But what if, outside of this world, we existed in another universe under completely different conditions? Evolution is a continuous process of change to adapt to each environment. So what if this evolution took place on another planet, in a different atmosphere? Today we're going to explore how human forms might evolve in alternative universes. The evolutionary process is shaped by environmental factors. For instance, life on Earth has evolved based on factors like sunlight, atmospheric conditions, and gravity. However, in a different universe, these conditions might be entirely different. On a planet with lower gravity, life might require longer and thinner body structures. Long legs, slender bodies. Many life forms might have evolved to survive under such conditions. The composition of the atmosphere also directly affects evolution. For example, a planet with a higher oxygen level could lead to stronger and more muscular beings. Higher oxygen means more energy production, which can increase body size. Higher carbon dioxide levels, on the other hand, might cause life forms to evolve different respiratory systems. In short, atmospheric conditions shape our evolutionary journey. Another important factor is temperature and light levels. On planets with extreme heat, life might evolve into forms that can withstand high temperatures, perhaps even beings with liquid-like bodies. Or, life forms in low-light conditions might evolve to be better at seeing in the dark, possibly without eyes. These different conditions could allow life to exist in ways we've never imagined. Now let's get to the real question. How could we look in another universe? Evolution shapes itself according to environmental conditions, and under every condition, life could take a different form. Maybe in another universe, we humans could have evolved into a completely different species. Could we have evolved into intelligent creatures imitating animals, or preferring to live underwater? Or could an entirely different species have developed in our place? The evolutionary scenarios in alternative universes truly push the limits of our imagination. Humans could have different physical characteristics on another planet. For example, we could be intelligent beings with entirely different biological structures. All of this shows the flexibility of the evolutionary process and how life could exist in countless different ways across the universe. Perhaps in another world, our evolution would be completely different. Just as there is no universal definition of life, life in different universes could appear to us in entirely new forms. Thinking about how we might look in different universes reminds us of how diverse and flexible evolution and life are. Each new universe holds a different discovery and a completely different form of life. Maybe in alternative universes, we could have evolved in ways we can't even imagine. This journey of discovery helps us understand different worlds by combining imagination and science.